Three, two, one.
Hello. In this video, we're going to see the help test tool, and now we are going to see the ticket tracing system between the departments to the admin. Now, I'm going to log in with my admin user. So this is a username password. Once I enter, it shows me the raised tickets. Now the tickets are open. So many tickets has been pending. All the details, everything will be shown here. I'm having options here to raise the registration. So if I'm having multiple departments, multiple employee, I have to make registration first to enable the users to raise tickets. Now I'll go to the new registration page first, and I'll come to the ticket system next. Now these are my registered users. That is my employees. And now if I want to make a new registration of an employee or based on the department, I'm click add new registration. So now I'm going to create a new employee registration based on his department. Now first name and the last name, then the contact number, and any alternate number you can provide. Otherwise, you can leave it blank. It's not mandatory. Next one is the email ID. It is the username that which helps to enter the application. So it must be valid, and the password and the employee code. After that, address and which department does this belong to. So I'll select multiple departments. Whether he belongs to one department, you can select. Otherwise, it is multiple department. Also, you have options here. So I click three departments. He belongs to accounts, godown, and hardware or software. So I click it, submit. Now the registration will be open for him. Now he can access this application to make his registration. That is ticketing system. After that, register successfully. I log out. Now I have become an employee. Now I'll raise a ticket. I use the same username and password which I made for registration. So I can enter now. I can see there is option here, your recent tickets. Because he's a new employee, he doesn't have any tickets still now. I can create new tickets. And you can select department. So which department does it belong to? As I selected 3-1, that is accounts, godown, hardware, software. I select godown, for example, and subject of the ticket. Any issues you want to tell on godown, that is stock not been received. So this is the title of my ticket and the message about that, and what kind of priority it is, whether it's a high priority or low priority or medium. So it's high priority. So I tell to the team that the requested stock has not been received. Stock number, I can mention the details, is not still not been received. And if I, for example, if I want to mention any screenshot or any attachment of file of any invoice or quotation, whatever the details can be made attachment here. As well as if you want to make multiple attachments, we have option here to add more. So I can create multiple files of attachment for reference, and I click submit here. So now a ticket being created, and it will be passed over to the admin for the notification. It can be a system administrator or any other role. So now the employee's work has been completed. He has ticket raised. Now again, I go to the admin login and see what are the tickets have has been received till now from any employee. So I use the username password. Now I can see it has been there is a stock not been received, that has been pending from Ravi. So I click it. It has, when it has been open, it has been open last 30 seconds ago. It's priority high when it was submitted at the time also. So I can see all the basic details about the ticket, and I can see the what is the thing. Hi team, the request stock number is not being received. It is being raised by Mr. Ravi. Now if I want to make any reply to him, so I can mention, hi Ravi, we will send it shortly. So I'm sending the message like this, so he can see it. If I want make it an attachment also, same way I can reply to him, and I click submit. Okay, so fine, now it has been replied by the admin. If I want to see what the how the employee can see, so I again log in with the similar user, same user. Now I log in with Ravi, so he can see the reply from the administrator. So it has been answered a minute ago. So if it is if I receive the stock, now I can close this one. So I close this ticket so that I cannot make any changes or make an updation in that. So now the problem has been solved. So ticket has been closed, answered, and ticket closed. So this is the way the ticketing system works. And again, go and see the admin. So the pending tickets, all the it has been closed by, since it has been closed by Mr. Ravi, the admin cannot see the ticket details, but there is a backup with that with the employee, so that he can see what the tickets been raised by him. So this is the short detail about this application. Thank you.